still watching Pinoy Boy Band Superstar. Now, we already have 3 grand finalists. Isa na lang ang inihintay natin for tonight. Ang tanong, will it be Mark or Tony? Ikumpara natin sila bilang performers at bilang mga anak. Panoorin natin to.
Ang bad boy ng Canada at ang kwelang bad boy ng Cavite, Tony and Mark. Bad boy man ang looks, pareho namang proud mama's boy.
I was raised by my mom.
Sino ang pinakamagandang babae para sa'yo?
Most beautiful woman in my life, my mother.
Parehong kuhang-kuha ang puso ng girls at huling-huli ang atensyon ng judges. Kaya parehong multiple boy band of the week members.
Lakas naman ang dating. Sobra ni Tony.
Gwapo pala to si Mark talaga. In fairness, my gosh, Tony, ikaw inaabangan ko talaga eh.
Si Mark, ang ganda-ganda ng boses. Ang gwapo ng dating mo.
At parehong may signature move, ang heartfelt hand on the chest ni Tony. At ang swabing turo ni Mark. Isa'y naglalabas ng galing ng mga kasama.
So Tony, what I really respect about you is how competitive you are. Kung ano yung best mo, pinapakita mo sa amin.
At isa naman nagbubuklod sa samahan ng lahat.
Yung pinaka-body ko dito simula pa lang nung show. Parang ikaw din yung kuya ko din eh.
You try to make everybody laugh. You want everybody to be happy.
Ngayon, parehong sasabak sa tapatan na sa duloy, magkaiba ang kanilang kapalaran. It's Mark and Tony.
Nobody knows just why we're here. We can fade around random circumstance. At the right place at the right time. So hold your hands. If the universe comes by to meld our lives to make us feel all in fire. You know wherever you go, you should have it. Yeah. When the light disappears and when the world is sincere, you'll be safe here.
A round of applause for group You'll Be Safe Here. Wow. Eto na lang, good job boys. Sino ba ang safe from elimination? Hihingin natin ang opinion ni Judge Vice. Sa pagbabalik ng Pinoy Boy Band Superstar.